friends, welcome to SparkleBox. Today we are gonna make a swimming fish craft. Isn't it interesting? Let's quickly have a look how to do it. The materials required are A4 sheets, toothpick, double-sided tape, camphor, sketch pen and a bowl. Take an A4 sheet and draw some small fishes on it. Now let's take a bowl filled with water and put our fishes in it and see how they swim in it. By using camphor, our fishes are swimming in the water. So give it a try yourself and let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends.